Hello friends! Welcome back to TechGetter Official. Do you want to connect your Roku device and create your Roku account easily? Then watch this video till the end and follow these simple steps. First, open your browser and go to go.roku.com/connectivity. This will take you to the official Roku setup and activation page. If you already have an account, simply sign in using your email ID and password. If you're new, click on Sign Up and create your account by entering your email, password, and other required details. Next, to link your Roku device, you'll need an activation code. On your Roku device, go to Settings, System About, and you'll find the activation code on your screen. Now, enter that code on the go.roku.com/connectivity website when prompted. Once done, your Roku device will automatically complete activation and sync with your account. After setup, you'll have full access to your Roku account, where you can manage channels, preferences, and settings easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechGetter Official for more helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching.